How to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy solution to dropshipping on Etsy. Now we all know Etsy is a really popular platform. So now if we go on to Etsy and we search for any type of niche, we have things like personalized gifts, and we have a lot of simple and easy items that we can easily import from AliExpress. Things like these customized frames and blankets, as well as these necklaces. If we go onto AliExpress and we compare the pricing, so this type of custom necklace is being sold for $13. And if I go onto AliExpress, I'm going to change the currency and then I'm going to search for custom name necklace. Now, once we go onto AliExpress, you guys will see these types of necklaces are being sold for as low as $1 to $2, which means that you can earn a $10 profit on these amazing items. However, there is one caveat when it comes to dropshipping on Etsy. Etsy is not directly linkable to AliExpress, so you have to go through a bit of a loophole to connect it to AliExpress. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. First off, you're going to have to build your store on Etsy. So for that, you can scroll down, and once you scroll onto the footer of Etsy, you're going to click on Sell on Etsy. Once you do that, you can click on Open Your Etsy shop, and you're going to provide information about your Etsy shop. Now, once you've set up your shop, make sure that you get verified, and verification on Etsy can take a lot of time, as well as ensure that your products are not being listed as they are on AliExpress. Because if you directly copy and paste it from AliExpress, Etsy is going to detect that and your store might get blacklisted. Now, once you have signed up on Etsy, you can use a platform like Deezers or Shopify. So you're going to link Deezers to Shopify, and then from Shopify, you're going to link it to Etsy. So you're going to basically import products from AliExpress to your Shopify store using Deezers, and then connect your Shopify store to your Etsy products or your Etsy store, and then display your Shopify product onto Etsy. So it's a really long process, you could say, but it is the only way that you can build a direct connection. However, there are some additional costs when it comes to this. First off, you're going to have to pay Shopify separately. So Shopify has their own sales taxes. You're going to be, you're going to have a transactional cost at Shopify. And then Etsy charges its own sales taxes, or, their own sales charges, and you're going to have to pay those as well. So you do need to ensure that the products that you are choosing have larger profit margins. Your profit margins are large enough where you are able to bear the costs of two different sales fees. Now let's get started with setting this up. For this, you're going to go into settings on the bottom left of your Shopify store. And if you don't have a Shopify store already, I have several videos on Shopify and how to build your store. So make sure to check those out so you can get started. Now we're going to go directly into our apps and sales channels and then click on the Shopify App Store. Now, once you do that, this will open up the Shopify App Store. And then from here, you can search for Etsy. Now, over here, you have Etsy integration. However, this is not the one that you want to use. This syncs your Etsy products to Shopify. Instead, we are looking to sync our Shopify products to Etsy. So for this, we have other tools that we can use, including the LitCommerce, eBay, Etsy, as well as the Shuttle Etsy Sync. So we want to actually sync our Shopify products to Etsy. Now for this, we have a couple of different integrations available, such as the Shuttle Sync with Etsy, as well as the Etsy Sync, the Amazon, Etsy, eBay Sales TO, which allows us for order synchronization, or you also have the sales or marketplace sales. So if you search for Marketplace Connect over here, this is my preferred application. I really like it. So this is the Shopify Marketplace Connect. Because this is a application by Shopify, it's easy to use and it allows you to sell on Amazon, Target, Walmart, eBay, and Etsy as well. So if you click on their marketplaces, you will see all of the different features that it includes, including auto updates, and it works with Amazon, Target Plus, Walmart, eBay, and Etsy. So from there, you're just going to click on install. And once you click on install, you're going to integrate this. So you're going to click on install once more in your new tab. And once you do that, you're going to move towards the next page in which you're going to connect your Etsy store into Marketplace Connect. So you're gonna have to wait a week or two for your Etsy store to be approved. Sometimes it can take more time, sometimes it can take a couple of days as well. So you're just gonna click on connect an account and then you're gonna add your Etsy connection. You're going to click on acknowledge and continue. And once you click on acknowledge and continue, a pop up is going to open up and you're going to configure or connect your Etsy storefront. Once your Etsy storefront is connected, it's time to actually import products from AliExpress onto Shopify so that they can be synced onto Etsy. For this, you're going to click on settings again, and then you're going to go back into your apps and sales channels and open up your Shopify app store. Once you open up your Shopify app store, you're going to search for Deezers. Deezers is a dropshipping application which allows you to directly import products from platforms like AliExpress. So click on install and a new tab is going to pop up, and from that new tab, you're going to install the Deezers application. So now we're going to resume with our connection and we're just going to click on install. And once you do that, you're going to have to create an account on Deezers. So for this, all you need is an email address and you're going to put in your email address. I already have an account on Deezers, so I'm going to log in and authorize. If you don't have one, you can sign up like so. So I'm just logging in. We're going to log in and authorize. And once we do that, we are now able to connect product from AliExpress to Shopify. And then from Shopify, we're going to sync up our store, or we're going to connect our stores to Etsy. So I'm going to click on create account, and actually I'm just going to sign in with a different account. Keep in mind that Deezers does have a limit, so you can only connect upwards of 3 accounts or 3 Shopify stores per free account. So if you do have more Shopify stores that you want to connect, then you're going to have to upgrade. So we're just going to proceed on to our sign up over here. And once we do that, we're going to click on get started. And I'm just going to have to sign in because this is registered. So now that we have logged in and our Shopify store has been connected, we're going to link to suppliers, which is AliExpress. So we're just going to click on that and complete our connection. We're going to sign in and authorize permissions on AliExpress as well. So you're going to have to log on to your AliExpress account so that products can be imported to Deezers and then from Deezers to Shopify. As you guys can see, it's a pretty long train, and this can increase a lot of your sales charges or transactional charges, but it is something that is definitely worth it. Now we're going to have to verify our email address, and once you verified our email, we can proceed with our Shopify marketplace and connect products to Etsy. So we're just going to wait for our email to be received on AliExpress. We're going to copy this code, go back and put that into AliExpress to proceed. Once we have done this, we can proceed on to the next step, and that is going to be to actually browse Deezers. So you can go into Deezers over here. And once you go into Deezers, you can add products into your import list. And from your import list, you can, import that into Shopify accordingly. Make sure to change the titles and descriptions and optimize them with your own keywords for better results on Etsy. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next.